can you tell me what you're doing here today?
Well, it's a heating and air conditioning competition to see who's the best at soldering and electrical diagnosing, wiring up boards, checking to see if different heat and air components are good or bad.
Okay. Do you think this is going to give you a leg up on your competition in the work field at all?
Yeah, I think it's going to give me a good idea of problems we're going to run into, skills we're going to need to have and know how to do things, things that we need to know to be good at, so we don't cause any problems or make things safe.
This competition, we in the heating and air world, we learn electricity and we learn freon recovery, motor controls, and various components, soldering and brazing with the torch. We learn all the different aspects of heating and air, which also encompasses just about every aspect of any building maintenance job that there is available out there. And so about the end of the first semester of class, we compete against each other in our class, and I generally will take the top 5 students to this next stage of competition, which is districts. At districts, we have other schools come in and compete against us, and we'll take the first and second place out of this competition today, and those will be really, really sharp students that have good electrical and mechanical ability. They'll compete at all the stations plus a written test, and the top 2 positions will go to state. And they'll compete at state next with all the students in tech schools around the whole state of Missouri. So it's a great competition. And what they'll get out of this is just a great background, good potential to go to work or college for mechanical engineering or the construction engineering or management field. It's fantastic. One of the things that we do right off at the start of the class is we go through a full OSHA 10 safety training, and they'll actually get OSHA 10 certified before they can even come out into my shop and work. And that certification is good for life, and the corporations in the area just love to have a potential employee with an OSHA 10 card to begin with, because if not, they're going to have to send their employees to OSHA 10 training, which can take up to 10 days at a pretty high expense. And so these high school students will have that, plus they will take the EPA 608 test, and we have a great success rate with that at this school, and they can be universally certified in air conditioning, so they'll actually be licensed to do air conditioning, have an OSHA 10 rating, and a high school diploma when they graduate from high school, giving them the potential of having a good job and taking online college classes at night, or going to a community college at the same time. They could go to college, get some college credit from this class, and apply that toward construction management, construction engineering, or electrical or mechanical engineering as well.